cutting the ribbon and inaugurating the beautiful showroom of Triumph Sales and Service Center. ಜೋರಾದಂತಹ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ. ಹಾಗೆ Mrs. Pooja Jain, Mangalore by Karni. So heartily welcome to you for this beautiful evening. And she has done longest ride which goes from Mangalore to Run of Kutch, that's Gujarat, and she's also completed Leh Ladakh. So thank you so much for being here. Preeti Purukwadanತಹ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. Requesting Mr. Akash, Sales Executive, to welcome Mrs. Pooja Jain. ಹಾಗೆ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಗಿರೀಶ್ ಶೇಟ್ ಬೈಕರ್, ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರೀತಿಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸೊ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಗಿರೀಶ್ ಶೇಟ್ ಟು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಅಸ್ and Girish Sheth. Yes, thank you. And now Mr. Shreyas from Zero Gravity, heartily welcome to you for this beautiful evening. Shreyuta Shreyas ಇವರನ್ನ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೀತಿಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಆಕಾಶ್ ಅವರು ಹೂಗುಚ್ಛವನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಪ್ರೀತಿಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಗಿರೀಶ್ PV ಬೈಕರ್ who has a very good record, that's highest motorable road. He has completed the ride there, and let me tell you all, he owns the bike of 1952 Triumph 3T Speed. So very beautiful moment to have you here, sir. So heartily welcome to you for this beautiful evening. And now may I have Mr. Adarsh, the hyper rider. So Mr. Akash, requesting you to welcome for this beautiful evening. So he's called as Adarsh, Mr. Adarsh. Yeah. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಜೋರಾದಂತಹ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು. ಹೂಗುಚ್ಛವನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಈ ಒಂದು ಸುಂದರವಾದಂತಹ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೀತಿಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್ ಬೈಕರ್, ಇವರನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರೀತಿಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಹೂಗುಚ್ಛವನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್, ಕ್ಲಸ್ಟರ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಕಿವರಾಜ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್. ಹಾಗೆ ಬಂದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನ ಪ್ರೀತಿಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸ್ತಾ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಈ ಸುಂದರವಾದಂತಹ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮನ ನಾವು ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ವಕ್ರತುಂಡ ಮಹಾಕಾಯ ಕೋಟಿ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಸಮಪ್ರಭ ನಿರ್ವಿಘ್ನಂ ಕುರು ಮೇ ದೇವ ಸರ್ವ ಕಾರ್ಯೇಷು ಸರ್ವದ. ವಿಘ್ನ ವಿನಾಶಕನಾದ ಗಣಪತಿಯನ್ನ ಸ್ತುತಿಸ್ತಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮನ ನಾವು ಶುರು ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ದೀಪವನ್ನ ಬೆಳಗಿಸಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೇರಿದಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳು ದೀಪವನ್ನ ಬೆಳಗಿಸಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸುಂದರವಾದಂತಹ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಡಿಗ್ನಿಟರೀಸ್ ಟು ಲೈಟ್ ದಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇನಾಗ್ರೇಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಇನಾಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಟ್ರಯಂಫ್ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಲೋರ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳು ಸೇರಿ ದೀಪವನ್ನ ಬೆಳಗಿಸಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸುಂದರವಾದಂತಹ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನ ಸಾಂಕೇತಿಕವಾಗಿ ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಲೋರ್, and they already have 3 showrooms in Bangalore. So this is one milestone for Kivraj. Yes, so inauguration is done formally, and beautiful bikes, that Speed 400 and Scramble. So requesting Mr. Devashish Tiwari and Mr. Prakash and all the dignitaries to unveil the Speed 400 and Scramble. ಕ್ಷಣ ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾ ಕಣ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕ್ಷಣವು ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ ಆಗಲೇಬೇಕು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. And now the time to unveil the well, here we go. Congratulations. So it's Speed 400 and Scramble. So Mrs. Pooja Jain, Mangalore by Karni. So ಈ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಷಣಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರಿದಂತ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಜೋರಾದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. Let's give a big round of applause for the beautiful moment. And yes, thank you so much Mrs. Pooja. So Baikarni for being here, because it's really beautiful to see one lady in one bike and another man sitting on the bike. Thank you so much. Now the time requesting Devashish Tiwari to address the gathering.
So So it's wonderful. I can see a lot of people. Like, hello, am I audible? Not required, but still. So thank you so much for this grand welcome, and then so much crowd has gathered. We have done our recent launch in Bangalore, but still Bangalore has stolen the charm of this inauguration with so many people around here, so many lovely faces and enthusiastic faces for the bike and love for the brand. I'm really overwhelmed. Sorry for my late entrance, but it's just what it is. So this showroom is the 8th showroom of Triumph in Karnataka. We started with only 2 showrooms in Bangalore, and within span of 8 months, it's the 8th showroom, and 2 more are coming very soon. They have already, in fact, started the operation. So we have 6 outlets in Bangalore, 1 in Mysore, 1 in Mangalore, which is recently opened, and 2 more have started the operation in Hubli and Belgaum, and many more are in process of getting opened and inaugurated in times to come. So it's my wish that all of you customers who are going to purchase your beloved bike, any range of Triumph bikes, can plan your journey in Karnataka, in India, anywhere with least amount of tension or any giving it a thought whether you will find a Triumph outlet in India at the place where you are going. So as of now, in the month of July, we started with 14 outlets. As of now, we are in process of opening our 170 outlets in a shorter span of time. So 100 plus outlets are already operational. 170 outlets is in process. In the times of another 3 to 4 months, it will be opened right from the western coast of Gujarat to the eastern coast of eastern borderlines of India, right from the Jammu and Kashmir up till the Kanyakumari. You can find Triumph wherever you go. So we'll be proud of our network as we are proud of our technology and our bikes. So you would know that Triumph has already crossed 122 years since its inception. It started in 1902, now it's 2024. So it's almost 122 years our operation has been. India, they have recently completed 10 plus years. So last this January, which meant we completed 10 plus years of Triumph in India. So it's a wonderful bike, it's a powerful bike. Many of you who are biking enthusiasts, they can experience the sheer power of this 400cc bike. It's 40 PS. We can experience while the product is on road. And I would love that each one of you take a test ride of this product and all the range, right, what it offers up till 2500cc. Many of us will know that a lot of bikes and a lot of cars do not have 2500cc engine. We usually ride in the range of 1.2 or 1.5 liter. So these are powerful machines, and this 400cc is still, it's very powerful. So my best wishes, I think, after a very long period, we came back to Mangalore. Mangalore, I think this operation was there some 4-5 years back, but now again we came with a bang and with a full range of bikes which will be available to you. So my best wishes, and I would love that lot of biking culture which is there in Mangalore, lot of good roads are there, and most of you experience these bikes and run on the roads of Mangalore. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. So your presence really made a lot of difference, and thank you so much for adding extra flavors to the celebration. Thank you. And now may I request Mrs. Pooja to address the gathering.
My name is Pooja. I belong to Mangalore Bikerni. I was very excited to see this bike here, and I've already opted for a test ride. So I hope I soon have a test ride with this, and I wish all the best to you. Triumph is back in Mangalore, and I wish, soon I could be a customer. So I'm planning to upgrade. So yeah, okay. All the best to you and all the team Triumph Mangalore. Thank you. Thank you for inviting.
Thank you so much, Pooja. Now may I request Mr. Girish PV to address the gathering.
Good evening, everyone. Hello, sir. Myself, Girish PV. I'm from local Mangalorean, from Hosbet. Many of you might know me. I'm a very old school rider, so I don't prefer speed bikes or the newer version of bikes. No, I mean I don't. I mean don't take me wrong. I like it, but I love. That's why I have 1952 Triumph standing outside. So I'm having another around 100 bikes, which is from 22cc to 500cc, all Enfield models, all Java SD models, almost all the scooters, 8 to 10 British bikes, German bikes, Italian scooters. So I have a small museum in Hosebet too. So if you find Google it, you can find it, and you are welcome, always welcome there. So I started riding back in 1992 when I was going to school or college. Then due to work pressure, and then I left to Middle East. So I started riding in 2014. So that was the first time I went to Ladakh in 500cc Enfield. Afterwards, I went 4 times. Once in SD Road King, then once in Lambi scooter, that is from Kanyakumari to Kadungla. Then once in Bajaj M80 74cc from Kanyakumari to Umingla. Then previous year, I went TVS XL50 from Kanyakumari to Kadungla. So the thing I want to say is here that CC doesn't matter. It's all. Don't look at the people who goes faster in the bigger bikes and they are the best and we are the worst. No. Whatever bike you have, if you follow the rules and regulations and don't push beyond your limits, you can achieve anything. So TVS 50, TVS 50. How many of you know TVS 50 with the chain drive? So this one even doesn't have the gear. So I have to go back and come very fast to climb the hill. Otherwise, I'll come back again. So there are so many difficulties. I mean, it was like I said to myself, everybody is going in a bigger bikes, so why not? So to show everybody that even the smaller bikes can go there. So please, all the new riders, all the riders here, please remember, main thing is safety gear. Please wear safety gear. Whatever happened till this moment, I am riding for I am now 50. So 1992 means I'm almost 40 years, 35 years I'm riding. Nothing happened, thank God. Don't say that nothing happened for 35. No, don't take that. This moment, thank God, and start every day, every ride like you are a new rider. Please keep in that mind, because every day the weather changes, the traffic changes, the road condition changes, even your bike is older and yourself is one day older. So we are not fit as when I was going to Ladakh, I could eventually push the Enfield 500 bike easily. Now I can't even push this bike. So every day you're getting older, every day the whole picture is changing. So please be safe and ride safe. And hopefully for my son, I would come back here. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for having me here, Kivraj Motors, Pradeep, and Chetan, he's not here. So thank you very much, and I'm very happy. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Really honored to have you here. ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಜೋರಾದಂತಹ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು. And now may I request Mr. Abhishek to join us and address the gathering.
I want to tell about Kivraj Motors, basically. With Kivraj, actually, it's not like a new relationship. And it's like Kawasaki days they had. And to be frank, with Kawasaki, we had a lot of problems. Okay. And it is not the good times with Kawasaki, bad times with Kawasaki. Okay. And Kivraj did help us in a lot of ways. We had, relationship was like really bad. We had always had the problem with the bike, and we had to fight. I have also met MD of Kawasaki. Okay, when he came to big bike, bike India bike bikes. He was like least bothered about it. We showed him all these problems. He was like least bothered. And later on, Madam Jaya, she was really helpful. So from bad time to good time happened because of Miss Jaya only, Madam Jaya. I would like to wish all the best to Kivraj Triumph. They were saying, no, our bikes are perfect. But Jaya ma'am, actually, in fact, she only personally helped us in getting rectified everything. I mean, it took a lot of time, but because it's a new bike to them also, Kawasaki, Kivraj also. But she helped us a lot. Definitely, I would say, recommend that Kivraj, dealership was very helpful. So they are not associated right now with Kawasaki, but right now, Triumph. Yeah, she is there. I know. No, I'm here. No, I have been called by her only. I know. She called me personally. So that's why I'm here today. Yeah. Thank you very much. All the best.
Mangalore, Kivraj Triumph will give a beautiful service. Everyone will be definitely happy with that. Now, moving forward, may I have Mr. Adarsh to address the gathering?
First of all, thank you so much for this opportunity. We are very grateful, actually, everyone. When Girish, most experienced rider, actually. We have to learn a lot from him. And I won't waste time in such things, okay? Because everyone knows what quality Triumph from legacy they have, actually. So no need to explain anything, actually. I own a Triumph Speed 400 currently from 3-4 months. So it's a good one. In 400cc segment, it is the best. It is a class bike, actually. And nothing, all the young riders ride hard, ride safe. Thank you so much.
May I request Mr. Hilton, special thanks to Mr. Hilton for coordinating the event so beautifully. So requesting you to join us. Yeah, ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಜೋರಾದಂತಹ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಬರಬೇಕು and requesting Mr. Devashish Tiwari to give a bouquet and ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು. Thank you so much for your support and making this event successful. Thank you. It's definitely a milestone for Kivraj, and this is a beautiful combination. That's Kivraj and Triumph. So they both will have a beautiful journey in Mangalore. So Mangaloreans were eagerly waiting for this. So now the moment of celebration, requesting all the dignitaries to join us. Remaining is at the right. So let's celebrate this moment. ಈ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಜವಾಗಿಯೂ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಕ್ಷಣ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆದರ್ಶ್ ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್. So yeah, please join us. Now let's cut the cake and celebrate this moment. So 3, 2, 1, here we go. Congratulations, Kivraj Triumph. So we have inaugurated the first ever Triumph Sales and Service Showroom in Mangalore. So looking forward to have a beautiful journey with Mangalore. So while winding up, so let's give a big round of applause. So this is a moment of celebration. Once again, we congratulate Kivraj Triumph. So eager say inaugurate agide. Just got inaugurated. That's Kivraj Triumph. So 4th showroom in Karnataka. So beautiful milestone for Kivraj Triumph. ಸೊ ದಸ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ದಿಂದ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಂಜೆ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿದೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಸೇರಿದಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ಬತ್ತಿನ ಮಾತರೆಗಳ ಸಲ್ಮೇಲು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. And this beautiful event is coordinated and executed by Nisarga Advertisements for organizing this beautiful evening. I think for this moment we all should give a round of applause. 3, 2, 1, let's give a round of applause. So once again we congratulate Kivraj